This is the graphical user interface of the OBS Studio. Now first go to File and then click on Settings. And then click on Video to ensure that base and output resolution are set to 1920 x 1080 and FPS value is set to 60 and then click OK. Now down there in Sources tab click on that plus sign to select a source to be recorded. After clicking it will show a list of sources including display capture, video capture, window capture and audio input capture. Display capture will record the entire screen and video capture will record the webcam. Window capture will record a particular window opened on the desktop which will be selected by you. Audio input capture will record the audio coming from your mic. Now we will add a mic source which will record our voice coming through the mic. And if you want to show yourself in the recording then and add a capture video source. Webcam did not showed, then double-click on Video Capture Source and click on Configure Video so that it can be displayed on the recording screen. You can change the position of the webcam video on the main screen by just dragging it around. You can also add a text in your recording screen. Go to Sources tab and click on the plus sign and then click on the text. It will show a window of Create Select Source after clicking OK. You will see the Properties window in which you will write the text you want to see on the recording screen. You can also relocate the text anywhere on recording screen. Now click on the Start Recording button which is located at the right bottom in the Controls tab. After recording for a few seconds click on the Stop Recording. And go to File and click Renew Recordings, because the video which is recorded is in the MKV format and we want it to be the MP4 format so that we can easily edit or upload it. After clicking Renew Recordings you will see a window in which you will browse and select the recorded MKV video which is located in the Videos directory and click the Renew button. That's all, you're done.